This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Annette Bagwell. No Hoa. Beautiful newer 3-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home built in 2018 in a quiet neighborhood. Inside you will find an open and split floor plan, perfect for entertaining. Master bedroom is oversized with plenty of room for a king-sized bed with private bathroom. Every bedroom has large walk-in closets. Second and third bedroom have their own bathroom in the split plan. House has a convenient laundry/mud room with a door that leads to the expansive backyard. This home has over a half an acre of property, which provides a spacious, expansive oasis, perfect for storing all toys and even placement of a pool. Plenty of ample parking. Large backyard has a shed for additional storage. Washer and dryer convey with the property. Conveniently located in North Lakeland, with easy access to US 98 and I-4 on Kathleen Rd. Perfect placement between Tampa and Orlando. For more information, review the